Initially, like I would tell a class teacher that I'm coming to observe your lesson. So the teacher was all prepared. At the same time, she would go to sleepless nights. If she knew the principal is observing or the head teacher or another teacher is observing, we had informed. Then we realized that became very artificial also, because the children themselves, the student council that we have in our meeting, they themselves brought it to light that, teacher told us 1 week back that father principal is going to come to our class. So on that day, we had a perfect discipline, everything went off. So then we realized that's how we learned in all our meeting, that henceforth we shall not do that. We walk into a class, but we give time to the teachers till the time she's settled. Because the moment you see a figure outside, definitely you need that space. So we give the time, space, the teacher understands, and then they know when the file is in hand, means somebody. Now we have learned the pattern, everybody has got to know. It is done in formats, whether it is teacher-centered, whether it is child-centered, activity-oriented, how is the environment of the class, all that has come into the observation right now. So I am not going there to see, is she teaching a whole lesson? That's not the aim right now. When we say class observation, whatever is happening, I as an observer will observe. And then I give a feedback to the teacher concerned. It has really helped, like what I have done when I do this class observation, when especially among peers, if you had an EVS lesson and I'm the EVS, for example, you're the A teacher and I'm the B class teacher, I gave both the same subject. So, and both are doing it on the same time, because the lesson plan follows the daily logbook that we say is like both are doing on houses, for example. You are doing houses, I'm also doing. Now when you come to observe my lesson, you have seen how I have taught houses. Correct? And I may have learned and picked up something. And it happens on the same day. Then I have come to observe yours and I have learned something from you. So that is how it has really helped. That is with the class, standard wise. Same thing can happen with a lower first standard teacher who has come to observe a fourth standard lesson. So tomorrow and we don't stay in the same classes, it's not, we keep shifting. Today I am the first standard teacher, tomorrow I could go next year to the third. In a year's span or 2 years, it depends on what that father decides, which classes each teacher did. But the teachers from standard 1 to 4 keep moving up and down. So this observation helps. Tomorrow if I'm coming to do a maths lesson and I've seen that Andrea has conducted, for example, she's doing weighing scales. So when I walk into, probably I'll remember that lesson and I can also do it in that manner. Yeah. It adds on to my experience also, that I can keep such activities in mind.